Today's tool of the day so far has been the most requested tool of the day so far. And oddly enough, it's about these T-handles. People seem to be pretty excited about these. You see them in lots and lots of my videos. I've had these for a long time. These are made by a company called Toptul, and people have mentioned they don't know what they are because they can't read the logo. But that's what the logo looks like. I'll try to provide a link to their website. Now, they are not US based. I believe these are made in Taiwan, and it's my understanding that the Toptul brand is quite popular in Europe, like Snap-on and Mac and Matco and Cornwell and stuff is the United States. If this company, in my opinion, if this company had presence, a strong presence in the US, it would bankrupt companies like Snap-on and Mac and so on and so forth. Their tools are relatively inexpensive and they're extremely good quality. I have their screwdrivers, I have their T-handles, I have their wrenches, I have their sockets, and they're very good quality. A little skeptical at first. I have a friend that was selling them. He lives in Arizona. Would order a big shipment. I think he was selling them on eBay, stuff like that. So warranty, I think, might be an issue if you had something that you needed to warranty. Don't know. You have to do your own research on that. There's a little bit of a presence of them on the Amazon, not the T-handles though, but other tools. But these are by far my favorite T-handles. They're my only T-handles. So they're the worst ones I have as well, if we're being honest. I don't know what to say about them. They're not a hollow shaft like a nut driver would be. Let's show you this. So most nut drivers, in case you don't know it, are hollow shaft. So, that goes up into the shank. However, these are deep. So they go just as deep. Like that one's just as deep as this one with a hollow shaft, if that makes a difference to you. And unlike some nut drivers where, the hex here gets reduced, down to a circle, these are straight through all the way top to bottom. Sometimes that makes a difference, depending on what kind of fashion you're getting on. If you know, you know. I don't know about the Snap-on ones. Yeah, they're reduced as well. But also, hollow shaft. So, something to think about. But no, these are great T-handles. Haven't had an issue with any of the rubber or anything coming off. But if I'm being honest, I only use about 3 of them. 7, 8, and 10. Those are your heavy hitters. And that's pretty much all I could say. But yeah, those of you that are curious, Toptul, that's the brand. Not ashamed to own any of their tools. They got fantastic screwdrivers with strike-through handles. I have beat their stuff for a long time. One of my favorite 1/4-inch ratchets, this little guy here. I got that in a Toptul, but that's for a different tool of the day. Right now we're looking at these T-handles. Didn't think I'd use them as much as I do, but they're a very, very useful tool, and I grab them often. And even if you can't find this brand, T-handle nut drivers are just a useful tool.